Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to transfer data from your Samsung phone to your Poco phone. Now to do that, just make sure that you have installed the Mi Mover app on both smartphones. Just go to the Play Store and search Mi Mover app. Now from here, tap on install. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree. Now from here, tap on hold on your Samsung phone. Now from here, tap on while using the app. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, just enable the Mi Mover app. Now once you enable the Mi Mover app, just go back. Now from here, tap on hold one more time. Now from here, tap on continue. Now from here, just enable the Mi Mover app. Now go back. Now from here, tap on hold and tap on continue. Now from here, just enable the Mi Mover app. Just go back. Now tap on hold and tap on continue. Now from here, allow this permission. Now it will start searching for your new device, which is your new Poco phone. Just tap on new on your Poco phone. Now from here, select old device model. Now in our case, our old device is a Samsung which is in Android. So we will select Android. Now if your old device is a Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco phone, just tap on Xiaomi, or if your old device is an iPhone, tap on Opel. Now we will tap on Android. Now from here, tap on installed. Now as you can see, our old device is not detecting our new phone. Just go back on the old phone and tap on old one more time. Now as you can see, it detected our Poco phone. Just tap on the name of your new phone. Now from here, as you can see, they started connecting. Now from here, just select the data you want to transfer from your Samsung phone to your new Poco phone. Now for an example, we will select only the images. Now from here, once you have selected the data, tap on send. Now from here, just enable these two options and tap on send. Now it will take some time to transfer your data. It depends on the size of the files you want to transfer. Now as you can see, the files are transferred successfully. Just tap on done. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred the data from our Samsung phone to our new Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.